Namaste. Welcome back to U2 Yoga, and today we're going to practice the Gayatri Kriya together with Kapalabhati breath. Now the wonderful thing about this particular Kriya is that it's nice and short so that we can slot it into our days if we have very busy lives, but it's also wonderful for your digestive system, for your respiratory system, lymphatic drainage, and also to help the joints. We will be bending and twisting the spine in all directions, and so helping for stress relief and to combat symptoms of depression as well. So let's begin. Start sitting in any easy, comfortable position with equal weight on both of your sitting bones. Lengthen the spine, shoulders back and down, palms facing upwards, lifting the crown of the head to the sky. It's a wonderful thing you're about to do for yourselves, so big smile on your face too. If you feel comfortable, you can close your eyes at this point too. Just gently start breathing into your belly, so with every inhale the belly comes out, and every exhale the belly falls back to its natural position. A few more breaths here, just to center yourself into your practice. And bringing our hands together into Namaskar Mudra at the center of your chest, thumbs pressed against your breastbone for one Om here together. Inhale. Om. Releasing your hands either to your knees or to your belly in preparation for Kapalabhati breath. This is an active breathing exercise where we just push the air out on the exhale and the belly goes in for that exhale as well. Just follow me. Contraindications: if you have a headache, you're on your moon cycle, or you have a heavy cold, then perhaps just do some lovely deep breaths for this, or go slowly. It's your practice. So, exhaling, inhale to prepare, and exhale. Five, four, three, two, one, and exhale all the way out. Keep exhaling, and then hold out for 1 second. And inhale, big inhale, raise your arms up if you want to, it can sometimes really help. Hold the breath at the top. And exhaling back down. Hands to your knees, palms facing up, and just breathe in that wonderful prana. Feel the good that you've just done for your body. Kapalabhati is very excellent at helping your lymphatic system, your respiratory system, and to aid detoxification. Come into table pose for Marjariyasana, cat pose. Have your wrists placed underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips. Spread your fingers nice and wide to give yourself a lovely, soft and open base. We're going to lift our head, belly goes down, tailbone goes up on the inhale. Exhale, bring your chin to your chest, round your back, tailbone under. Inhale. Last one. Inhale, facing forwards. And then come into any easy, comfortable position. Sitting spinal twisting. Making sure that your hip bones are sitting equally on the floor, lifting through the spine as always, lowering the shoulders. Bring the crown of your head up to the sky. Arms down by your sides. Inhale, lift your arms, and exhale, twisting to the right side. Right hand behind you, left hand on right knee, looking over your right shoulder. Not too much weight on your right hand, lifting through your spine on each inhale, and with every exhale, just a little twist. Close your eyes. Feel the air moving through your body. You're working on your digestive system here. Liver, kidneys, pancreas. Wonderful. Keep breathing into the belly. Next, inhale, raising the arms up, bringing yourself back to center, lifting, and exhale to the left this time. Left hand behind you, right hand on left knee, looking over the left shoulder, shoulders down, away from your ears, breathing into the belly. Here we're working on your transverse and descending colon, your other kidney, the spine, the nervous system. Absolutely wonderful. Lifting with every inhale, a little bit more twist with every exhale. Watching the neck. Next inhale, coming up and into center, lift, and exhaling down. Now for some side bending, so ready? Inhale, lifting those arms up, and we're going to go to the right side first. Your hand to the floor, or maybe your elbow, reaching over, lengthening the spine, hands into Jyan Mudra, reaching up and over. Feel that lovely stretch down the left hand side of your body. Take your shoulders away from your ears, pressing your right knee to the floor, equal weight on both your sitting bones, and breathe. Wonderful for your spine. Next inhale, coming up, lift, and exhale to the left this time. It's exactly the same as you did the other side, reaching over with your hand. Lovely stretch down the right side of your body. Listen to your body first, and then listen to me. Smile. You're doing yourself a great service here. Next inhale, coming up and back to center, lift, arms up, and exhaling, hands down. Perfect. Now we come to Gayatri Kriya A. Bring your legs out in front of you, about mat width apart, toes flexed back towards you. It's a nice straight spine, arms out at shoulder length, or shoulder height, and clasping your hands. We're going to exhale forwards and inhale backwards. Follow me when you're ready. Exhale forwards. Inhale up and back, not too far. Exhale forwards. Inhale up and back. Exhale forwards. Inhale up and back. Exhale. Keep those toes flexed, shoulders down. Inhale up and back. Exhale forwards. Inhale up and back. One last time. Exhale forwards. Inhale up and back. This time we're going to come forwards. Release the hands either down by your sides, on your shins, or around the sides of your feet, Lift through the chest and exhale, folding forwards. Forehead to your knees. Breathing deep into your belly, feeling that lovely stretch down the back of your legs. Inhale, bringing the arms up just to aid your ascension. Wonderful. Lift, lift, lift. And exhale back down. Bringing your arms back in front of you again, keeping your legs about mat width apart, back straight, clasped out in front of you at shoulder height. This time we're going to go round in circles. So we're going to exhale forwards, then round to the right first, coming backwards, inhale, switch over and exhale. Big stirring, a huge pot here. Inhaling when you come back. Exhaling when you move forwards. Imagine in the middle of your hands you have a large spoon and you're stirring around. This is fabulous for your body, wonderful for your spine, amazing for your digestive system, keeping the shoulders down. Now when we get to our toes this time we're going to swap directions. So we're going to go inhaling to the left, cross over to the right and exhale forwards. Inhale, stirring that big circle. Exhale forwards. Inhale back. Exhale forwards. Be mindful of what you're doing. A wonderful thing for your body. Exhale. Last time, inhale forwards. And release, coming up. And exhale down. Perfect. Coming back into Sukhasana. But this time bringing the soles of your feet together. Have your knees down as far as they will go, lifting through the body. Lengthen the spine, shoulders down and folding forwards. Now there are several ways that we can do this. You can go as far as you can, keeping the spine as straight as possible. You can even press down with your elbows on your legs to give yourself a little bit more of a hip opening exercise here. Or you can bring your hands to the floor and moving very slowly, creeping your hands forwards and then lowering your head. Whatever you're doing, breathe into this wonderful exercise. You're opening your hips, working on your Muladhara chakra here, your connection with Mother Earth and your ancestors. A couple more breaths here, breathing into the belly. Next inhale, slowly raising yourself up. Now let's come into Vajrasana for a bit of a change here. We're going to be doing some Jai breathing here, wonderful for your lungs and respiratory system, but also amazing for your shoulders and your upper back and your neck and your lymphatic system. Starting at the out breath position, folding your thumbs in, squeeze your thumbs, and on the inhale, arms spread wide, fingers spread wide. This is a lovely active breathing. Join me when you're ready. Let's go. Keep going and keep smiling. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and inhale, lift and breathe. You can hear Luna, she's joining in with us. Hold the breath in and exhaling down. And now for meditation, just to round off the practice. Sitting with equal weight on both of our sitting bones, lifting again through the spine, shoulders back and down, lifting the crown of your head up to the ceiling and breathing back into the belly once again. Have your palms facing up on your knees into Jan Mudra, or you can place your hands in your lap, cupped. Let your eyes float closed if you feel comfortable. If you find that tricky, then just focus on something that's in front of you, about 2 meters away, that is still. And just concentrate on your breath. There should be no stress or strain in this. Just allowing the body to breathe when it needs to. Enjoying the feel of the energy we've just created by the movement of our bodies. Knowing the good we've done ourselves and the cleansing of our bodies at the same time. Clearing the chakras, removing things that no longer serve us. Bringing your hands into Namaskar Mudra at the center of the chest. 1 Om and 3 Shantis together. Inhale. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. It's been my pleasure and privilege to teach you today. Namaste. Join us again soon. Hari Om.